Shivam Prajapati, and here I'll show you something about my work. Like I love to do photography, photo manipulations, and many other things like traveling and many more adventures. So I'll show you some video contents and video vlogs, travel vlogs, and photo manipulations tutorials too. So let's catch it up in the next video. And tab tak liye, if you want to see my work, so you can watch me on Instagram. It's Narrative Photography, and we'll see you in my next video.